This is exercise 4.2, question number 2. Solve the following situations mathematically. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each, and the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. See here, John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. If I say John has X marbles, it means that Jivanti will have 45 minus X. Right? So first I write down present number of marbles. So here, present number of marbles. Let John is equal to X marbles. That means John has X marbles and Jivanti has 45 minus X. Don't do the mistake at this place. Most of the time children write down X minus 45. No, it is 45 minus X. Right? Now here, both of they lost 5 marbles each. Right? So after losing 5 marbles, I'll write down after losing 5 marbles. Here I'll write. Now John has X minus 5 marbles and Jivanti has 45 minus X minus 5. Already she has these many marbles. Now again 5 marbles she has lost. So 45 minus X minus 5 means 40 minus X marbles. Now what they are saying? Now product of their marbles. So product of these two numbers. Right? So according to the condition, so X minus 5 into 40 minus X, which is equal to 124. So we'll do the product. X into 40, it became 40X. X into this minus X, it is minus X square. Minus 5 into 40, minus 200. And minus 5 into minus X, it is minus plus X square. X square, oh sorry. It is plus 5X. So it is plus 5X, which is equal to 124. Okay, we can bring 124 this side. So it will become minus 124. So here we'll write down minus 124, which is equal to 0. Now see here, first I'll write down minus X square plus 40X and this 5X. It became plus 45X minus 200 and minus 124. It is minus 324, which is equal to 0. See, for the whole equation, if you multiply by minus 1, so the signs of this each term will get changed. Or directly we can do the change of sign. Okay, so here X square minus 45X plus 324. This one. Now just look at this equation properly. What's supposed to be the product here? Product supposed to be 324 and sum supposed to be minus 45. So we need to choose two numbers. So if this way it is a little difficult to choose, what we'll do? We will do a little rough work. What is that? We'll write down the prime factors of 324. See here, 324. For that, 2 ones are, then 1 is remaining, 2 6s are, 2 2s are. Here 2 8s are, 1s are. Now 3, this is 27, 3, 9, this one and this one. Now here we'll group these factors and we'll get two numbers whose sum is minus 45 and whose product is 324. Right? So here we'll just check. If I do this 3 and this 3, what happens here? 27 and 3 4s are 12. 12 and 27. Addition doesn't come 45. Right? So this grouping is not the correct one. We have to think about the another group. So what I will do? I will take these numbers in the group and these two. 3 3s are 9. Now 3 3s are 9 and 9 4s are 36. So if I add these two numbers, so I am getting 45, correct? So this is the right one. So here I'll write down x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324, because minus 36 into minus 9, the product will come plus 324, which is equal to 0, correct? Now from the first two terms I will take x common, so x minus 36. Now from here I will take minus 9 common, and here, as you know, the factors are correct, these numbers are correct, so directly you can copy this one, this bracket here. Okay, so here I will write down 9 in the bracket x minus 36 here. Now x minus 36, same bracket we have taken common, and what is left here? X minus 9 is left, which is equal to 0. Now see here, x minus 36, which is equal to 0, and x minus 9, which is equal to 0. So x which is equal to 36 and x which is equal to 9. As both the values are positive, both the values are valid. So what we'll write down here? When x is equal to 36, so John has 36 marbles in the starting and Jivanti has 9 marbles. Or when x is equal to 9, so John has 9 marbles and Jivanti has 36 marbles, vice versa. Both the possibilities are there, right? Let us see the next one now. They are saying a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. So how many toys they are producing, that we don't know. So we'll consider them as X, right? So let the number of toys produced in a day be X. Let me write down this one here. Let the number of toys produced in a day be X, right? Now, the cost of production of each toy in rupees was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. Try to understand. Cost of production of each toy. So cost of each toy. So I'll write down here cost of each toy, which is equal to what? Found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. So already we said number of toys produced are X. So minus X. So this is the cost of each toy, right? On a particular day, the total cost of production was 750. On one of the day, the total cost was 750. What would like to find out the number of toys produced on that day, right? So we need to find out X. Once again, try to understand. Total cost is the given. So total cost means what we'll do? Cost of each toy, that means the rate, into the number of toys produced, right? If we'll do the product, we'll get the total cost. So here we'll write down now according to the condition. So here according to the condition, so total cost of the production on that particular day is what? Here number of toys produced are X and cost of each toy is what? 55 minus X, which is equal to 750, correct? Now I will multiply this one, 55x minus x square. This 750 will bring it here, so it will become negative, which is equal to 0. We'll write down in a proper format. So minus x square plus 55x and then minus 750, which is equal to 0. I will just change the sign of each term. So it will become x square minus 55x plus 750, which is equal to 0. Now product supposed to be 750 and sum supposed to be minus 55. Once again for that, what we'll do? We'll just write down the prime factors of 750. So it is easy for us. So here 750 I'm writing. I'll divide it by 2. 2 3s are, 7s are, 5s are. Okay. Now I'll multiply, divide it by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Once again by 5. 5 1s are, 5 5s are. Then 5, this is 3 and this is 3. Right. Now we have to do the grouping. We have to do the grouping such that the sum should come minus 55 and product should come 750. Correct? So 2 groups we need to do. So if I do here, 5 5s are 25 and 2 50. So 50 and this one is 15. 50 and 15. If I do the addition, it doesn't come minus 55. Right? Even the subtraction doesn't come minus 55. So we have to think something else. Now here, if I do the group, suppose 5 into 5, 25, and 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. 30 and 25 it comes as minus 55. Correct? See? 30 and 25. If I add it, I get 55. Right? So both of them I will make negative. So minus 55 I'll get. Right? These are the correct numbers. So here I'll write down x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750, which is equal to 0. So x will be common. X minus 30 here. Minus 25 is out. So x minus 30, which is equal to 0. So x minus 25 and here x minus 30, which is equal to 0. Now I'll compare each bracket with 0. X minus 25 equal to 0 and x minus 30, which is equal to 0. So x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 30. See here, once again both the values are positive. That means both the values are valid.